Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Logging into a phpBB3 forum through a Python script using urllib2, and ClientCookie, a part of the clientform library, can be a useful task for automating certain forum-related actions. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to achieve this. Please note that urllib2 is not available in Python 3, so this tutorial assumes you are using Python 2.7. Before you begin, make sure you have the following. Start by importing the necessary libraries. Specify the URL of the phpBB3 forum you want to log into and your login credentials. Create a urllib2 opener that will handle cookies and sessions for us. We need to fetch the login page to get the login form fields. This allows us to create a request that includes the necessary form data. Now, fill in the login form fields with your credentials. Submit the form to log in. Check if the login was successful by examining the response. That's it. You've successfully logged into a phpBB3 forum using a Python script. You can now extend the script to perform various actions, such as posting, replying to threads, or scraping forum data. Please keep in mind that web scraping and automation of websites should be done in compliance with the website's terms of service, and be respectful of their policies and guidelines. Unauthorized or excessive scraping can lead to access restrictions or legal consequences. ChatGPT.